Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of history, and today we are going to note down your book work and copy work. So now let's start with your book work first. Fill in the blanks. Muslims believe that God revealed the Quran through angel Gabriel. Through angel Gabriel. Second one is Kaaba was under the control of Quraysh tribe. Third, the migration of Muhammad to Medina is known as a Hijrah or Hijrah. The first caliph was Abu Bakr, and Arabian Nights is a collection of folk tales and the stories. Now we will do the maths. The following: ancient square temple, it is Kaaba. Rubaiyat by Omar Khayyam. Pilgrimage of Mecca, it's a Hajj. Head of Caliphate is Khalifa, and Muslim calendar is known as Hijri. Now, true false. Islam is the second largest religion in the world. Yes, it is true. Islamic golden age began in the Abbasid Caliphate. Yes, it is true. The caliphate was established before the death of Muhammad. No, after the death of Muhammad. It is false. Then the Umayyad established the house of wisdom in Baghdad. No, Abbasids. It's a Abbasids. So this is false. And the Arabic numerals 1 to 0 are the international system of numerals. No, it is false. So now let's start with the copy work. Okay. Another one is that choose the correct answer. Muhammad was born in the Arabian city of Mecca. The Muslim calendar is called the Hijri. The offering of namaz 5 times is called Salat. Muslims improved upon the Chinese techniques of paper making, and the Abbasid dynasty shifted the capital to Baghdad. Now copy work. The first question is write about the caliphate and which dynasty the rule is called the Islamic Golden Age. Now answer will start. After the death of Muhammad, the caliphate or a political leadership or a Muslim Umrah was established. The head of the caliphate was known as Khalif or Khalifa. He was considered the successor of Muhammad Abu Bakr. Under his leadership began the spread of Islam outside the Arab Peninsula. Abu Bakr and his three successors, Umar, Uman, and Ali, ruled from 632 AD to 661 AD. Then Umayyad Caliphate. It ruled from 661 AD to 750 AD. Their capital was Damascus in Syria. They continued to win new territories and spread Islam in all the directions. And by 753 AD, this Islamic empire stretched from the Indus Valley in the east to Spain in the west, and it also included many African territories along the Mediterranean coast. Arabian became their official language. They also constructed famous buildings such as the Dome of the Rock of Jerusalem and Umayyad Mosque in Damascus. Second, the Abbasid dynasty. Abbas overthrew the Umayyad in 750 AD. Under the Abbasids, the Caliphate emerged as a large, prosperous, and powerful empire in the world. They ruled for about 500 years. The Abbasids shifted the capital from Damascus to Baghdad. The reign of the Abbasids also turned as the Islamic Golden Age. Muslims made great progress in the field of science, mathematics, literature, art, medicines, architecture, etc. Golden Age of Abbasids. The Abbasid established the House of Wisdom in Baghdad. Here, Muslim scholars translated into Arabic and ancient Greco-Roman, Indian, and other works of literature, science, and mathematics, etc. In literature, the Islamic Golden Age great works such as Rubaiyat by Umar Khayyam, Shahnama by Firdausi, and 1001 Nights, also called Arabian Nights, were created, which is a collection of the folk tales, are significant. Medieval Muslim engineers and inventors came with a number of inventions like soap, bar, toothpaste, oxidations, nitric acid, windmills, insulations, fountain pens, stained glass, and quartz glass, and Persian carpet. They learned and improved the Chinese techniques of paper making, ceramics, and silk weaving. The contribution of the Islamic civilization in the field of mathematics includes the development of algebra and algorithms, the beginning of the algebraic geometry by Omar Khayyam. Islam added a new dimension to the art of calligraphy. Their holy book, the Quran, has played an important role in the development of the calligraphy in the Arabic alphabet. Muslim cities had advanced domestic water system with sewers, pipe, drinking water supplies, and private and the public toilets. Muslim developed a beautiful style of architecture that is reflected in the impressive mosque forts. Write the note on the five principles of the pillars of Islam. Five pillars, principal pillars of the Islam. Muhammad preached the observance of five principles of pillars of Islam helped Muslims. They were listed below. First is Shahada. There is only one God or Allah, and the Muhammad is the Prophet of Allah. Salat is every Muslim must offer prayer, namaz, or 5 times a day. Swam, Muslims must observe fast from dawn to dusk in the holy month of Ramzan. And zakat, Muslim must give a certain portion of their wealth as an aims to help the poor. And Hajj, Muslim must go to the pilgrimage or a Hajj to Kaaba in Mecca at least once in their lifetime. So that's all for today's session. Complete your work in your book and the copy. We will meet in our next session with a new topic, with a new chapter. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.